Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 27 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with some motivation first. So when you start leveling up, some people will find any reason to pull you down. Don't let them stop you. Keep going. You are growing and that's what truly matters. So as you rise, some people, even your close friends, will try to demotivate you. They will say that this is not useful. You should not do this first and then that. So don't stop. Trust your journey. Work harder, stay motivated, accept your mistakes and improve yourself. But never give up. Those who try to pull you down were never your true friends. Okay. So now let's get started with this problem 3392. Count subarrays of length 3 with a condition. Okay. Given an integer array nums, we have to return the number of subarrays of length 3, okay, of length 3, such that the sum of the first and the third numbers equals exactly half of the second number. And what is subarray? A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, and constant size is very small. That is why this problem is easy. Okay, now see this example number 1. Okay, now here first let's just pick this subarray, okay, because we have to pick the subarrays of length 3 only, right? So here if I do the summation of this and this, I will get 2. Okay, right, I will get 2 here. Okay, total sum. And here is this mid element, it should be equal to here see exactly half of the second number, right? First and third numbers, okay, sum of first and third numbers, it should be equal to exactly equal to the half of the second number. So if I take the half of second number, 2 divided by 2, so I'm getting what? 1. Okay, so 2 is equal to 1? No, right? So this is not a valid subarray. Okay, so same way here in this case, if you pick this, okay, now do the summation of this 1 plus 1. So sum is 2. Okay, so this is nothing but your left hand side, and your mid element is nothing but 4. Okay, so 4, if I do the half of this 4, I will get 2. Okay, so see here LHS is equal to RHS, right? So this is matching. So this is one valid subarray. Okay, only the subarray 141 contains exactly 3 elements where the sum of the first and third numbers equal to the half of the middle number, right? So what we are doing here, sum of, let's suppose we have 3 numbers A, B and C. Okay, so sum of first and third number A plus C. Okay, sum of first and the third number, it should be equal to the half of the middle number, so B by 2. I can also write it like this, 2 A plus C is should be equal to B. Okay, so I will just do one thing here, 1 plus 1 2, and I multiply it with the 2. Okay, and I will just compare it with the B element. Okay, so here like in this subarray 1 4 1, so this is my A, this is my B, and this is C. So I will just apply this formula. 2 A plus C is nothing but 2, is should be equal to 4. Okay, both are matching, so just return that it's true. Okay, both are matching, just increment the count. Okay, so what are we are going to do, we are just going to run one loop like this now. First we are going to check these 3 elements, then we are going to check these 3 elements, then we are going to check the next 3 elements. Okay, so that's what we need to do, right? And see the starting here, it will stop here. Okay, because every time we need 3 elements. Okay, so if I'm starting from here, let's suppose my I is going to, okay, so let's take this complete array 1 2 1 4 1. Okay, 1 2 1 4 1. Okay, so first my I is going to be at this position and I will check these 3 elements. Then my I will be here, I will check these 3 elements. Then my I will be here, then I will check these 3 elements. Okay, after that my I will not move forward, right? Because I need 3 elements at least, right? Exactly, I need exactly 3 elements, right? Return the number of subarrays of length 3. Okay, this is given to us, right? And this is how I will compare. Okay, and every time here, if my I is at this particular position, okay, at 0 index. Okay, if my I is at 0 index, this is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what I will do, element at I index plus the element at I plus 2 index. Okay, I will just multiply it with the 2, and I will just check it if it is equal to the element at I plus 1 index. Okay, element at I plus 1 index. Okay, so this is what we need to check, right? If this is matching, just increment the count, and then next time I move I forward, then compare these 3, then I move I forward and compare these 3. Okay, so now let's write the code for this particular problem. Okay, it's very simple. So first of all, just calculate the length of nums array, nums dot length, and after that just run one single loop. Okay, int I is equal to 0 and I should be less than n minus 2, and here I plus plus, because we need exactly 3 elements, so I is going to run only till less than n minus 2 elements. Okay, so here inside this just check if, and here inside this you are going to write what, here you are going to write nums of I plus nums of I plus 2, and you are going to multiply this with a 2, and you are going to check if it is equal to nums of I plus 1. In that case, you are going to increment the count. Okay, so create one count variable as well and set it to 0, and in the end you have to just simply return the count. Okay, that's it. So time complexity is going to be off, and since we are just running the single loop. Okay, now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. Now let's submit it. All the test cases has been accepted. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.